What's up, guys? It's a gross and rainy day in Baton Rouge today, and I thought I would take a minute and make a video for you for a salad dressing. This is salad dressing that we got the idea from actually from a rehab facility. I had a family member that broke their arm really bad, just shattered everything, and they had to spend like, I think 21 days in a rehab facility working to reuse the arm. Well, they served this salad dressing inside the rehab facility. It's really easy. It's got 3 ingredients. Boom, boom, boom. You do it in a mixer or a blender. I use a bullet blender. Mix it up, store it in the refrigerator, shake it up before you use it because it kind of separates a little bit. Super easy and really good. Again, 3 ingredients that you probably have in your house. You could try to add stuff to it like spices and herbs, but I think it's awesome the way it is. So give it a try. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down below. Like my video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a great day. So you're going to add 1 cup of sugar, and I use a bullet blender. It's not the Ninja, it's a different brand, but same difference. Into your mixing container, 1 cup of sugar. Put the sugar in first before you put the mayo in. If you put the mayo in first, it all sticks up here when you turn it upside down. That's 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 a cup of white vinegar, and 2 cups of mayonnaise. This makes a lot. You can cut it in half if you want to. So 1 cup, 1/2 a cup, and 1/4 of a cup. Put your lid on your bullet. Screw it tight. Plop it on. Lock it in place. This one has an auto blend setting. And that's it. I store it in the blender container. I just put the other lid on it and store it. It stays for a couple of weeks. It'll kind of separate in the refrigerator, and all you do is just shake it up, mixes it right back together. And you can see the consistency.